Hello, you all. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's message is going to be for the water sign of Pisces. Pisces, what I heard for you was birds of a feather flock together. Same disease, different disorder. Same disease, different disorder. Birds could be significant, or cats. Cha-cha, real smooth. A diagnosis, DNA, launching in March 2021 through 2024. Godmother. There's some kind of restraints here. Yeah, locksmith. To be one with thyself, meditation. Orange cream. I feel like somebody could be taking medicine for the flu. Some kind of trait. Some kind of like bilingual trait. This could be something that like runs in your family, like diabetes or something. Yeah, somebody could be sick, Pisces. If not you, somebody around you. But I feel like you're about to get the keys to something golden by the month of March. Whatever this is, it poses a sense of peace. Godmother, the occult, orange cream. I feel like this got something to do with your lineageal gifts passed down through you, to you, through generations. Something makes a mark. Something makes a mark. There's dividends here. Things are being divided and multiplied. There's you could be a school math teacher or something like that. You could be in a class of math, but something's being divided and multiplied at the same time. So it could be causing your body to be out of alignment, causing sickness. Okay, so you could be having like what they call ascension symptoms, but I feel like this is simply in your chakras. Like I feel like your chakras, Pisces, or bewildereth thee. Okay, you could be finding, I'm hearing failure to launch. We got the Hermit sliding out here with death. Something's an epic fail. Strength. Pisces, if somebody was trying to, I don't think I ever said anything like this on this channel. If somebody was trying to unlock your genetic coding, your genetic programming, know that ain't nothing up. Wheel of Fortune, ain't nothing up. Like this would be, something is so mysterious here. Six of Wands, something with your bloodline. Eight of Cups. Somebody was searching. High Priestess in the reverse. Nine of Swords. Somebody got trapped. Somebody was denied access to something very fondue. Pisces, I feel like something is going to put your heart at ease. Yes, Lord, something puts your heart at ease. Let's see what this is. Look, yo. Look, yo. Something puts your heart at ease. That time, the 747 could be a timing issue. Like something could happen at 7:47 p.m. or a.m. Something that creates an issue. Let me get one for grace and gratitude, 747, because I feel like whatever this issue is, It comes in between whatever's being orchestrated. This would be like catching somebody red-handed. 10 of Wands. The Journeyman. 10 of Pentacles, Pisces. I feel like somebody tried it while you were awakening. While you were, the 3 of Wands. Yeah, while you were awakening. This is almost like while you were asleep. Somebody was in the dark. The Hermit, Death. Searching and seeking and trying to find like souls. Strength, Wheel of Fortune. In hopes to 6 of Wands. 8 of Cups steal from you. Access was denied, though. I'm telling you, yo. The Lovers, the 7 of Swords. Look, it don't matter if it's up or down. It don't matter if it was reversed or upright. 7 of Swords, the Lovers. Denied. Look, denial. Ace of Swords. There was no access to the 9 of Pentacles. This would be like the children of. Access was denied. Something was a failure. 9 of Cups. You could have been dealing with a marksman. Yeah, you was dealing with a marksman. The Hierophant, the 4 of Pentacles, the 7 of Cups reversed, and the 10 of Swords. Yeah, somebody might have 4 of Cups unannounced. Yeah, somebody might have tried to mark you or something like that. Pisces. This reading is deeper than here. 10 of Pentacles. This could be somebody in your family. A resident. This could have even been a landlord. We got 10-10 here with the 10 of Cups. Let's leave you with an oracle, Pisces. Oracle for Pisces. Something brings peace and harmony to your front door. Wow. Ayo. Aries could be significant. I just did Aries reading and this came out. Same thing. Same exact thing came out. Men in Black. Stalking, intimidation, confrontation. I heard a song. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Pisces. I'm gonna leave it here.